morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Raju Siadri. So, friends, I have everyone are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Raju Siadri. So, in today's video, I will be telling about my modified Jeep because lot of subscribers have commented that please do a video in other languages except Telugu. So mainly all over India people are watching our channel and all. So this video is especially for the people who are interested to buy a modified Jeep. So this video will be completely in English language. So if you are and few people have already also asked that please do a video in Hindi also. Definitely I will do a video in Hindi also soon. So let's go to today's content, friends. So if you are very keen and very passionate about to buy a modified Jeep and all, so this I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you guys. So today we will discuss the top most important things which you have to take care in order to buy a modified Jeep. So friends, first of all, for buying a modified Jeep and all, you should be very passionate too, because it's not like a car and all. It will not give you comfort, and if you are choosing an AC, means it will not give you that AC when compared to good branded Jeeps or a car like that, and the seating will be different. But the attitude which you will get after driving a Jeep will be an awesome. It will be an awesome experience. There are no words to explain. Also, it will be an awesome experience for you. So the first thing in order to buy a modified Jeep is that you should have passion. So next, where these modified Jeeps you can buy. So all these Jeeps will be manufactured from two areas particularly. One that is Punjab and Mandi Dabwali, and the second one is Haryana Sirsa district. So all these are ex-army auctioned Jeeps, friends. So they will be buying from them, and then they will be making all the new things. They will be fitting all the, means the engine will be old one. The first thing you have to observe is the engine will be the old one. They will be providing two types of engines. Basically, the most are Bolero and the next Toyota 3C engine and Bolero DA turbo engine. So these are the two engines maximum users will be providing. So you should make sure that which engine you want. So it may be a Bolero or it may be an Toyota. So my modified Jeep is of Toyota 3C engine. So it's a good engine. Even Toyota is also good engine, but the sound variants will be different when we start and when the vehicle is moving and all. Bolero and Toyota sound will be something different, but Toyota is also very good engine, so which I am using. So there are no particular problems and all. But all the users, there are many dealers all over India who are providing these modified Jeeps and all, but all the users will be providing only the used engine. There will be no branded sealed engine and all. Okay, they will be only providing the used engine, but they will be reboring it. They will be repairing everything and almost like they will make it as a branded new one only. Okay, so the engine will be the used one, and depending on your specifications, if you want, then first of all make sure before contacting them, make a note of all the specifications which you want in your modified Jeep. Okay, so from these and about which dealer you want. So there are many dealers also, because in Hyderabad Ankita Jeeps and PSP Jeeps are there, and all over India, means from Punjab Rahul Jain Motors, Pal Motors. There are many dealers and all. It's completely your thing from which dealer you wanted to buy. Okay, but make sure before contacting them, make the specifications. So the first specification comes to the engine. Which type of engine you want? Either a Bolero DA turbo or Toyota engine. Okay, the second thing, which type of tires you want. Okay, it may be a mini monoster tires or monoster tires or a normal on-road tires like me, but my preference is basic on-road tires only, friends, because from the mini monoster and monoster tires, when you travel and all, you can't go to the long distances, and there will be a little bit of vibrations when you are traveling. It will be like you will be driving like this, like moving and all. So my opinion is only choose the basic on-road tires. Even it will be also looking, see, the height is almost near to my thigh. It will be also giving a good look to the modified Jeep, and we can travel long drives also. Okay, so basically choose on-road tires itself. And next, which color you want. It may be a green, whatever the color you want, they will be definitely giving it. No so color you will get whatever you like. It may be a black or a military green or silver color or gray color, whichever color you want, you can ask them. And about the lighting, so my opinion is we should follow certain rules and regulations given by the RTO also. So basically, give normal lights only, like this. For example, 4 lights and 6 lights, almost fog lights, and the 2 heavy lights, and the normal which will be giving these lights. And bar lights also you can order that. Bar lights you can order, and even on the windshield also we will get 2 lights here also. So I have removed them because even we have to follow certain rules and regulations about our government also, and even we have to think about other travelers also who are traveling on the road. If we install all these lights, means others, the opponents who are coming opposite, they can't even see anything. So there are a lot of chances of accidents and all. So make sure you order very less lights only. Okay. And about the AC, which you want AC vehicle or non-AC vehicle. So depending on the specifications only, your cost will be jotted out. So if you want a AC means you can go with that. If you want a non-AC means you can go with that. So if you want an AC means, my preference is go with the non-AC only, because AC will not provide you that comfort. Because even the top here you can see it's a cloth top only. It's a waterproof top, nothing to worry about that. But it's a normal top only, and even if you travel in the sun and all that, because of black, it will absorb the heat and all. And even if you can't get AC also. Okay, so my opinion is go with non-AC vehicle only. And however, you can fold this windscreen. If you want, you can remove all this. I will do a video on it also. Even I have done, but I have done in a video in my mother tongue Telugu language. You can go with that, how to remove. Almost it will take 20 minutes almost to remove this top, and to reassemble it around it takes 25 minutes. That's it maximum. So depending on your criteria only, you have to choose. So basically, the first thing is engine. The second thing is what types you want. The third thing is about the lighting. The fourth thing is about AC or non-AC. And the most important thing, friends, documents. So while you're going to buy a modified Jeep and all, the documentation should be very perfect, clean and neat. Okay, so they will be providing the NOC, police clearance certificate, from the Punjab state to our state. So few states, Andhra state has allowed re-registration of the vehicle, and hence that's the reason I got an Andhra state registration number. For few states like Telangana and all, they are not allowing the modified Jeep re-registration. So make sure before contacting the dealers, please go to the nearest RPO also, and inform them I am going to buy a modified Jeep. It will be from Punjab registration, so I want to re-register the vehicle in your home state. So if they allow means well and good. If they are not allowing means ask the dealer what precautions, what are the conditions they are allowing. Because with the PB number also, even we can roam in a whole store, but there are certain taxes and all we have to pay to get the no objection certificate and all. So make sure you get all the documents in a perfect way on the delivery date itself. So once you get the vehicle, with the vehicle only you should get all the documents. Then it will be a hassle free. Because after buying the vehicle, if the NOC is expired means, only the NOC will be also valid for 1 year. After that, your vehicle will be seized by RTO. So make sure documentation, you are not making any mistake and all. So documentation is the most important. Even they will provide NOC to all the states. All the states in India, they will be providing the NOC. But as the one more point also, because as the rules and regulations also changed, now we have got for the defense employees, police employees and all, for the central government employees also, as the job will be all over India, you can get a BH series number also. If you get a BH series number, that's well and good. They are providing means that's very good. Please ask for this question also before buying a modified Jeep. So the documentation is the most important, friends. And I think I have covered all the aspects in it. So yes, you will be getting normal doors. So whatever the doors which I have currently is the normal cloth door only. If you can get a normal door also, it will be also cloth only, but few rods will be there. That's it. But it will be so you can go with that also. If you want, you can go with the doors are also. And what type of entrance you want. So back seats is the best option. So you can see the image which I am rolling over that down. So entrance from the back is I prefer, because while getting our family and all, it will be very difficult for the ladies and all to go from the front side. So back seats are only good. So these are all the top things which you have to take care before buying a modified Jeep, friends. So if you have any doubts means, do comment. I will definitely try to clear that. Once again, I am repeating, friends, the first most important thing is that regarding the documentation, because documentation should be in a perfect manner. If the documentation is not good means, your vehicle, if you are buying with a 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs also, if you are not able to register after expiry of the NOC, your vehicle will be seized. So take care of documents. And the second thing, what type of engine you want. It may be a Bolero, Toyota. And the third thing, what type of tires you want, mini monster or monster or on road. The best preference is on road. And which type of vehicle you want, it will be a AC vehicle or non-AC vehicle. My preference is non-AC vehicle. With the AC also you can't get the comfort 24 hours. Okay, a non-AC vehicle is the best thing which you have to book for. And lighting they will be providing. If you want any extra lights, bar lights and all, they will be charging extra only. And what type of bumper you want, if you want a normal bumper or mustache bumper also, they will provide according to your choice. So everything they will do. Punjab is only the state which you will get every modification and all. What type of you want modification, if you tell them, they will tell the rate accordingly. And then you so that's it friends. Mali next video lo kalidam. Until then, take care, bye bye, be safe, jai Hind.